Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always they let me out now and again to see the sunshine, but most of the time I'm around looking on the shelves to see what's back in stock for your bike. So let's take a look and see what I found for this week. So first up is part number 132066. That's the fixing kit for the crankshaft ignition timing discs for the Atlas, the Mercury and the 650SS Dominator, and that's £17.94 including VAT. We've also got part number 132063, that's a fixing kit for the crankshaft ignition timing disc for the Commandos 750 and 850 as well, and that item is £11.93 including VAT. Next up is the sump spanner for the 500 and 850 twins for the large filter drain plug. That's part number 131733, and that's £8.34 including VAT. And then part number 066161, the timing cover for the 750 and 850 on the Mark III is £333.54 including VAT. And lastly this week, the air cleaner element, that's 060673, is £24.65 including VAT. And don't forget, whatever I've mentioned is linkable in the section below. Just click on the link, it'll take you straight to the item on the Andover Norton website. And if there's anything I haven't mentioned but you want to know when that item comes back in stock, it's super simple. It's a click box on the Andover Norton website. If you're not too sure how to do that, go in the description box below. There's a link to a video which will take you through the whole process. It's super easy to do. And then when that item comes back in stock, you'll get an email in your inbox telling you that it's available. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.